Hey everybody, I'm Sean Greeley, founder and CEO of NPE, and we're excited to work with you during the canfitpro 2020 virtual series. You know, a lot of people talk about wanting to grow their income, help more people, and make a bigger impact in their community. They're passionate about fitness, have always wanted to start their own business, but considering COVID-19, don't know if they should wait until a better time. As a result, they never make a decision or take action to achieve their goals. Look, the truth is you can start a fitness business right now and be incredibly successful when you have the right plan to adapt to the current market conditions. And success starts with understanding what we call your thrive zone. This is about the intersection of, number one, determining the clients you most love working with. Do you love working with moms, seniors, athletes, busy professionals? Who is it that you love to spend time with, you love to serve, you can't believe you get paid to do this work? And number two, the problems you love solving. What do you love learning about, studying, and sharing with the people that you serve? Is it fat loss? Is it bodybuilding? Is it sports performance, functional training, pain management? What is it that you love to learn and share and help people figure out? And number three, the business model that ensures you make a profit doing it. There's all kinds of ways to serve people in the fitness industry, whether it's private training, group training, semi-private, online, offline, hybrid, remote-only programming, coaching, consulting, corporate training, you name it. There's lots of models. They're all successful. They can all make money. The key is to understand the unit economics and make some decisions about your pricing, your packaging, your cost structure, and put all those numbers together so that you make a profit, achieve your goals for the time and sweat and effort you put into building your business. Now, we've got a lot more to talk about during the event. See below for more information, including our sessions, and we look forward to seeing you soon.